Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future videos. 10th May 10th May Sunday is a special day to show our appreciation to mothers. Mother's Day is observed on the second Sunday of May every year. There are many different explanations for the origin of this day. An American woman named Anna Jarvis is usually credited with the idea of having a special day dedicated to mothers. Some religions have traditions and festivals that celebrate women, mothers, and goddesses, like the 10-day Durga Puja festival in India. Do something special for your mother this 10th May. You can make her a card, help her throughout the day, and put her favorite food together. A mother understands what a child does not say. Jewish proverb.